Hi, I'm Roxy. My real name is Roxanne, but people call me Roxy. Hi, I'm Michaela, but people call me Makiki or Mac. We're going to be singing Popularized Veronica's.
I hate to say it, but they play this dance song in every club. But it's me, so I show love. But it's me, so show me love. And when I walk into the room, people stop and stare. It's like nobody else is there. You know it's me, not you. Who said anything about you? Boys and girls run down to know me and try so hard. And I get what I want, my name is my credit card. Don't try to hate me because I am so popular. Most guys I dated got intimidated, so now I date up. If you know what I mean, so they shut up. If you know what I mean, so just shut up. Cause I don't wanna give half away.